Welcome back to Grand Bend, Ontario, home to one of the best beaches in the entire country, which is why we have very slim pickings for quality real estate. But I found one for you. Here's an affordable and relatively new 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom, fully winterized home or cottage that doesn't need a thing. And the best part? You're only a 5-minute walk to South Beach. Let's check it out. We're just going to head south up Orchard Street for a few hundred feet and then right on Lake Road straight to South Beach. South Beach is less crowded and quieter than Main Beach. It's great for families. And you're so close to the beach from your house, it won't be a big deal to head back up for a barbecue lunch, making use of that stellar outdoor living space. Let's go take a look. Once you're done with lunch or maybe after dinner for a sunset, why not take that 5-minute stroll back to the beach? But this time, we're going to take River Road. You just got to go the other way. And what a great location. Look at that. Close to everything. Even all the amenities of downtown are just around the corner. Given the prices for older rundown cottages in the village, this one is going to be tough to beat. Call me for a private showing today before it's too late. I'm Mike Sloan, and I'll see you at the beach.